Welcome travelers and tourists are planning for a holiday trip around the famous Monserrate in Bogota, Colombia. Hi, I am Angela Martinez. I am from Chaparral, Tolima, Colombia. Welcome to Bogota, Colombia. Bogota is the capital of Colombia. You can find different sites of gastronomy and people from all over Colombia. It is very drinker for its tourist place. Monserrate, Quevedo Churro, Candelaria Tour, it is climated cold, but also warm. It is a beautiful place to ride bicycle. It has bands throughout the city. Play to sign. You can stay at Hostel Bogota. Breakfast is free, internet free, and is near to Plaza de Bolívar. If you want something pleasant or commodity, you can stay at the Hotel Museum, which is the historical center of the Candelaria. During the stay, you can enjoy different types of food: tamales, ajiaco, chicha, and variety of breads, fresh fruits, ice cream, pizza, traditional food from all the departments of Colombia, delicious ajiaco, and fruit, and pizza. I suggest there is a Christmas time to fully enjoy. This holiday can last from 3 or 7 days. For example, in one day, you can get up at 7 a.m. At the 10 a.m., take an Uber to the Monserrate pedestrian path. Take the cable car and get to the Monserrate. Go to Mass at 12 p.m. Van lunch there at 5 p.m. You get to the Churro de Quevedo and enjoy delicious chicha and different kinds of drink. You can get 10 p.m. to the hotel, cable car, and the Montserrat. The second day, you can get up at 6 a.m., rent a bike at 7 a.m. You can go to the tour the city, go through the botanical garden to the bar of the 93. You arrive downtown at 3 p.m. To enjoy ajiaco santafereño, you arrive at the hotel at 9 p.m. The byway and the part of the 93. The third day, you can get up 8 p.m. At 10 a.m., you can go for a breakfast, tamal, chocolate, bread, or coffee. You arrive at 12 p.m. at the Bogota Museum. At the 3 p.m., buy a book in the center. At the 6 p.m., you make the tour of the Candelaria. Cost. The cost of the tourist package is $305 per person and includes accommodation, ticket to the museum, free breakfast, use the laundry, bar and tour of Candelaria, transportation from the airport to the hotel, and we are waiting for you. And the two question is: would you like to spend a vacation in Bogota, or have you had vacation in Bogota? Thank you.